Dear students, then today we start a new lesson, that's coordinates. Coordinates. Okay. Here in this chapter we discuss the location of a point on a plane, a two-dimensional plane. Here location means you are marking a point. If in a wide plane, some example, how if someone asks to you where is the correct location of your house, what would be the likely answer? That answer is it is related to some landmark or geographical features. It is near the bridge or near the across the like that we used some terms are there. But in the larger scale, in the case of a globe, you remember globe you studied in geography. Here in globe, how we mark some towns and countries in the globe. It is based on some address is there. Suppose a town is situated 23.5 degrees south and 74 degree north, like that. We use the two terms are there. Then some degree north and south. It is based on two imaginary lines are there, latitude and longitude, that you studied in geography. You refer your geography textbook, how you locate a particular town or a place in this globe. Then another example is in Excel, in computer Excel sheet. Excel means then open office spreadsheet. In spreadsheet, the total sheet is divided into some columns are there. Then each column is called a cell. Then each cell has a cell address. Then cell address is defined on the basis of rows and columns. Rows and columns. Then cell address of a cell is like that: C1, C2, A4, A5, etc. These are the cell addresses, right? Then another example like that in a standard chess competition, the movement of a players are marked on like this: P5 and RC3, 6. If you know the chess competition, you can understand that. Then total chess board, so total 64 squares are there. Each square is defined by some letters, that is A1, A2, A3, A4, C1, D1, like that, right? Okay, in this chapter, how these are some examples of location of a point or marking some objects based on two-dimensional things. Things. Here in a plane, in a two-dimensional plane, a rectangular plane, we marked some points. How we locate the points? First, we draw two perpendicular lines. One is the horizontal line, another is a vertical line. Okay, horizontal line and the vertical line. The horizontal line is called x-axis. The vertical line is called y-axis. The point of intersection of this x-axis and y-axis called origin. Okay, origin. Then we locate the point based on the origin. Locate the point based on the origin. Okay, we can discuss like this. First you draw this line. This is a horizontal line, x-axis. X-axis is the horizontal line and it is y-axis. Y-axis, it's a vertical line. X-axis and y-axis. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. Then here the point, this point is called origin. Here the x-axis and y-axis are number lines. Okay, number lines. The point of the meeting point of x-axis and y-axis at the 0. Here 0, x square. Here the x-axis on the x-axis marked some numbers. Listen the numbers. Then right side of these numbers are positive numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. These are the positive numbers. We mark like this. And left side negative numbers. On the y-axis, the top of the part, positive numbers, and left below the negative numbers. Okay, this x-axis. Axis means not only two lines. Here the lines contain some numbers, number lines. Okay, draw the axis means you draw a line and mark the numbers also. Mark the numbers also. X-axis and y-axis. Clear? Then first step is drawing x-axis and y-axis. Then each x-axis and y-axis are called numbers also. Then we marked some number, a point here, just a point. We have to mark a point here. Then here I want to mark a point here. This point is, it is 4 unit right and 2 unit up. 4 unit right and 2 unit upside. 4 unit right and 2 unit upside. I'll mark a point there. Here, this is the point. Okay, I'm marking a point here. Point N. Point N is I marked. Okay. Then this point is, name of the point is here. First you mark a dot mark, okay, or into mark. You can mark dot or into mark. Then in this dot mark, where is the position of N? We can say that this point is situated from the origin where 3 unit right, not 3, 4 unit right, 4 unit right. First you say right or left. Okay, on the right side you represents positive numbers and left side negative numbers. Okay, how will you locate N? Position of N? 4 unit right and 2 unit upside. 4 unit right and 2 unit upside. Okay, 4 unit right and 2 unit upside. This we can mark. This we can mark like this. 4 2. This 4 2 is called coordinates of the number point N. Coordinates of the point N. Remember the coordinates of the point N. Okay. Then that is, this 4 represents how we the distance through the x-axis, that is 4 unit. 4 unity. Along the y-axis 2 unity. Therefore this first number is called x coordinate and the second number is called y coordinate. We use a bracket and separated by a comma. This is the representation of coordinate. Okay, representation of a coordinate. 4 2. Coordinates of a number is 4 2. Then another point, we have to mark a point minus 4 5. Minus 4 5. We have to mark a point minus 4 5. Therefore x coordinate is minus 4. Y coordinate is 5. Along the x-axis, negative 4 means left side of the x-axis. Therefore minus 4 is there. Minus 4. Minus 4 like this. This is minus 4 up to this. Then move top side. Why? Because it's 5. Minus 5, minus 4 and 5. Therefore you move minus 4. This is minus 4 and 5 unity. We can say that this point is situated. This point is situated. I'll mark the point here. This point is situated. Where is this point situated? This point is situated 4 unit left. Minus 4 stands for 4 unit left and 5 unit up. 4 unit left and 5 unit up. Clear? 4 unit left and 5 unit up. Therefore you can mark that minus 4 5. Minus 4 5. Then I mark another point here. Then this is the point. Here 1 unit left and 3 unit up, below, down. 1 unit left. Therefore minus 1. Left is negative. 3 unit down. It is also negative. Therefore minus 1. We can mark the point here. This is the point. First you mark the point. Okay. Mark the point. This point. I mark the point here. Then write its coordinates. How you write the coordinate? Coordinate is minus 1 minus 3. How we locate minus 1 minus 3? Minus 1 is along x-axis. Minus 1. Therefore left side. From the origin 1 unit left and a minus 3. Positive is upward. Negative is downward. 3 unit downward. Minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3. Again we mark another point. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. How 3 minus 4 comes? 3 minus 4. 3 unit right. It is positive. 3 unit right and 4 unit downward. Okay. Then for you can give a name on this point. Okay. What we discussed now? We discussed 2 perpendicular lines. One is horizontal, other is vertical. This perpendicular lines is called axis, x-axis and y-axis. Remember that point. Then second point is the point of intersection of axis is called origin. Then third one, how will you locate a point? Locating a point 4 2. For a point 4 2, 4 2 is coordinate of a point. What is the meaning of 4 2? 4 2 is that point is situated from the origin 4 unit right and 2 unit upward. First you locate x along x-axis, 4 unit right, 2 unit upward. Then minus 4 5, 4 unit left, 4 unit left and 5 unit upward. Minus 1 minus 3, 1 unit left, 3 unit downward. Then 3 minus 4, 4 unit 3 unit 3 unit right, 4 unit downward. Okay, along the x-axis right is positive, left is negative. Along the y-axis upward is positive and downward is negative. Okay, then you study how to mark a point on a plane. Okay, how to mark a point on a